stopped me to tell me that the road I was about to take was super bad and I had to take a different route. He's going miles and miles out of his way just to show me this route, so it must be pretty nice. I developed a giant hole in one of my gloves, so this guy's gonna fix it for me. You're not a real city in Uzbekistan unless you have an amusement park. Like almost every moderately sized city in Uzbekistan has an amusement park. It's just super family friendly here. People have kids at a really young age, so there's never like too much of a time where people are going out to the bars, hanging out with their friends, getting drunk and stuff. Basically, I mean, by the time you're old enough, you have kids, so this is it. This is your recreation. All family friendly stuff. So I bought a buttload of fruit and I'm just gonna eat this all for lunch. I swear, when you're riding through the desert for like two and a half weeks with barely any fresh produce, I mean, sometimes you'll find tomatoes or sometimes you'll find cucumbers. Coming upon this like bounty of fruit just feels amazing. When you're going that long without any fresh food, I mean, I swear it starts to make your veins feel like they're pumping sludge instead of blood. So I'm just gonna eat like 5 pounds of fruit right now and then head over to Khiva. I guess Khiva, which is like 30 kilometers from here, really close to the Turkmenistan border. But I guess Khiva is a pretty historical city and there's a lot of historical monuments and things there. Good thing I have like 15 minutes left of film time on my GoPro, so I'll see how much I can film actually in Khiva. I might stay there a couple days then and edit some video to clear my memory card since I'm starting to get into some interesting stuff now. See ya. Man, it's so nice having a bicycle with you when you're traveling. The hostel I'm staying at, it checked every box, like comfortable beds, nice setting, good breakfast, blah, blah, blah. But the only gripe everybody had was that it was far from the old city here, the like historical place to check out. Everyone's like, yeah, it's 4 kilometers from the city. You have to take the minibus to get there. It's X amount of dollars. It leaves every 15 minutes, blah, blah, blah. Or you can just ride your bike. It's only 8 o'clock and I'm already sweating. Why isn't this 1500-year-old city more bike friendly? I'm really hoping that this place doesn't really follow the same fate as every other historical town that also has tourist appeal, kind of like Amsterdam or Venice or whatever, where the locals are kind of being pushed further outwards and the houses are now being turned into Airbnbs and hotels and things because yeah, Airbnb just became legal here not that long ago. So yeah, look at this. Art House Hotel, written in English.
This is a big reason why I wanted to visit this part of the world right now, is just because like it's not going to be the same in 10 years. It's going to become more of a tourist attraction, more so than what it already is. I just feel like Central Asia is probably one of the last few bastions of authenticity before it's inevitably destroyed by the hand of tourism. Oh, Ahmed. Perfect. Okay, so this is what a typical market is out here. This is why I've been struggling to find calories. As you can see, there's not really much food to eat at all. I've had to just start eating meat because there's honestly no option out here.